Alright, so we're back here again, man. So last time it did not go so well, bro. We made 0 sales. But today, hopefully, we can actually change it. We can actually make some money. Turn that loss into a profit. Show that everyone that dropshipping is not just a scam. You're not going to lose all your money and shit. So that's what we did. But today, I kind of found a product, and I found a method the way like you actually search up ads already running. And you kind of like see, and you can basically just use it as an example, as in steal a product type shit. So that's what I did. That's what I did. So I'm about to show you guys like the sauce, like where I found that product. So like, hey, don't say I didn't show you guys. First of all, I want to make sure like I'm pretty honest with y'all. So yo, here we go. So the place I actually found that product was actually on TikTok itself. Like surprisingly, I never knew this was a thing, but like I was like watching videos and shit, kind of like how to improve, and I was able like to kind of stumble upon it. So here we go. Just search up TikTok Creative Center, blah blah blah, all this shit. Scroll down, and you can see view more right here. You can explore top paid ads on TikTok. Now thinking about it, I should have did some other shit. I should have finessed an ad, if you know what I mean, bro. But I decided to go down this route. But oh, here it is. Here's the product that I found right over here. This is the product. It has a wow. As you can see, it has a wow factor. Let me play it for you guys.
So many of you want to know what the rain cloud.
Look at that. It has a wow factor. It turns on nice and light, and it's also a cloud. Like you see that shit? I was thinking, yo, this shit could be a hit. But then I thought about it. Let me do a little bit of research. And I found out that like, okay, the product, I did not know whether the product was saturated or not. So I went inside the analytics of this. Like this was a horrible ad. This shit was way too long. It was just her talking. So I did not think it was not, this one was gonna be making sales. So I thought maybe I can just improve the ad and make some money. But with the TikTok Creative Cloud, you can basically see what they did. As in you can see the, what is that noise? Alright. You can kind of see like the CTR conversions remains and stuff. So this is now my new website. I kind of completely redesigned it. I'm like, yo, let me give it like a more elegant look, a little more homey, you know what I mean? Because I'm trying to capture the household homes. So a little bit of life, a little bit of garden, you know what I mean, bro? Like, give it a little something. Here's the product I decided to sell right over here. As you see, pretty good, everything. I have over 34 reviews. Everything's looking pretty good too. But now I'm about to show you guys the part that you actually want to see. The part where you can't afford. The part where I show you guys if I made money or not. We made nothing. Again. We did not make no fucking bread again. We're at a loss. And you know what the worst part about the whole thing was? The worst part is I forgot to turn off the ads. So I kept them running when I was not making money. So I actually lost even more money because of it. Cause I was on TikTok doing it. So I put like a whole basically have it like run after it was done running. I was supposed to turn off the ads. I did not, and I didn't. I just ended up going to sleep. So I woke up with like spent like $10 more, and I still made nothing. Bro, this shit hurts my fucking soul. Bro, only one add to cart. I spent hella, bro. I spent like almost be like $30. $30 in ads, and I still didn't make any shit. I didn't make shit at all, bro. But one fortunate thing that I did is I installed an app. I don't know if many people know about this app. What the app does is basically looks at the people's like records of like looking at your website, seeing. Basically, you get to see what they see on their side, kind of. You know what I mean? Kind of like spying on niggas, you know what I mean? So it's good to have that type of data because sometimes you kind of need it. You could be like, yo, where are they getting stuck at? Where's the problems? So let me show you guys. You see, this is all of them. All of them. All the people who decided to actually click on the website. And don't mind this one. This one is literally just me. So with this app, I was basically able to track how everyone was using basically the whole thing. As in, let's watch one of them. This one was right here was like 3 minutes. They got on the website, they loaded on the website, and that's it. They did not move a single muscle. Nothing happened. Let's check out another one. Like I had like look at these. 2 of them were 0 seconds. Pretty sure some people kept on clicking the ad multiple times, kept on fucking up my CTR, my fucking click-through rate and shit. You know what I mean? Like it kind of fucked me up. Look at 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, like niggas are just coming in for a second, bro. Like what the fuck is this? This one scrolled a little bit through, seen the price, and he kind of just left. Like I'm having people click on it, but they leave it. I think like it's the price point that is like clearly taking them away from buying. But it should be obvious though. It should be obvious how expensive it is. Like it's a good product, but it's just not selling. I think it's just because of the price. The price might be maybe a little bit too high for people. So I didn't end up getting any sales because of it. Over 100 people came to the store, but no sales whatsoever. But one thing I'm gonna try to do is I really wouldn't want to do this, but like I think I may have to get my first sale. I have to finesse an ad. It already popular because I already know some ads already out there, so like I might just finesse one and kind of make it like my own way, like transform it a little bit, but kind of finesse it because like you know they're already doing something with it. I think that's what I'm gonna do now. Like low-key, because I'm already down a lot of money, bro. I can't be doing this shit. I don't got no sponsors and shit, man. Like god damn, I'm spending my own money out here, bro. But no money right now. But hopefully in the next episode we make a couple bread. Cause that shit is bad. It's looking bad for me. You guys are probably wondering what would my ad look like. So I'm gonna quickly show you my ad right here now.
Stay with me, I don't want you to leave. Stay with me, I don't want you to leave.
My ad, it was nice and simple. I actually made 2 of them, one a shorter version and a longer version. Kind of tested both of them together, and both of them didn't like do what they were supposed to do. I thought they were good ads, cause like for TikTok wise, but apparently not. I really apparently not. But hey, man, yo, thank you for sticking around, man. Like, thank you for watching all the way over here. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Hopefully, I'm making a couple dollars at least 1 or 2 sales, bro. I need at least 1 or 2 sales. If I don't get 1 or 2 sales, bro, I don't know. I may have to be like, yeah, nah, this shit's a scam. Nothing. But alright, man. Appreciate you guys for watching, bro. Make sure you like, comment, and follow.
Sad to say I put my love in this bitch, but she didn't care enough. Sad to say I put my trust in these niggas and they try to cross me up. Fuck all you bitches and fuck all you niggas, I'd rather go at it up.